Hello children, we are back with our chapter Movement of the Earth, page number 21, and today we are going to study the second part of the chapter, that is revolution. Last class we already studied about what is the rotation. We already studied about that. Now the continuing part, that is revolution. Okay, so the revolution is also one of an important movement of the Earth. Now what is revolution? While rotating on its axis, the Earth also revolves around the Sun. That is, this movement is known as revolution. While rotating on its axis, the Earth also revolves around the Sun. That is known as revolution. And the revolution means it is go in a particular fixed path. That path is known as orbit. Clear children? So we already know that the Earth is there, it is going there, and rotating meaning it is from west side to east side, it is moving. Clear? So but the same time it is moving, at the same time it go around the Sun. It will go around the Sun on its axis. That is also known as revolution. That is known as revolution, and this movement takes in a particular path, like our railway tracks is there for railway and trains are there. So for the same one, the Earth is moving around a particular path. That path is known as orbit. This path is known as orbit. Understood children? The same way, that is, while rotating on its axis, the Earth revolves around the Sun. This movement is known as revolution. Understood children? Now because of this revolution, we have, that is, this is the orbit. Look at this, the movement. Clear? This is Earth movement, the blue color line, the Earth is moving around the Sun. This is known as revolution, and this path is known as orbit, and orbit always in oval shape. Always in oval shape. Because of this revolution, we have seasons. Because of this revolution, we have seasons. Because of Earth is going around the Sun, Earth moving around the Sun, or Earth is spinning around the Sun. Because of this, we have season. Understood? And from here, it is going here, and through this, it again comes back this position for 365 days or 1 year requires for that. So, in total, revolution takes in 365 days or 1 year. Clear children? So, we already studied rotation. It takes 24 hours or 1 day. Likewise, the 365 days or 1 year for completing one revolution. Understood children? So this is revolution, and it takes around, that is, Earth is spinning around the Sun. Clear? Here is Sun spinning around the Sun. This movement is known as revolution, and revolution takes how much days? 365 days or 1 year, and through a particular path. That path is known as orbit, and it is always oval in shape. And because of revolution, we have seasons. In India, we have 4 main seasons, which are the summer season, then winter season, spring season, and autumn season. Clear? Like this 4 seasons happens because of revolution. Understood children? So this is revolution orbit. Now the first one, take the page number 22. You have a figure here, one figure is given. So first we are taking to the position 2. Clear? Take the position 2. Position 2 here means that this is Sun, and in position 2, this is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. Understood children? The Sun directly hitting to this side, that is northern hemisphere. So in this northern hemisphere, now they are having summer season, and which is away. This southern hemisphere is away from the sunlight. So this southern hemisphere now having winter. Clear children? And here also the days are very longer, here the days are very shorter. Northern hemisphere summer season days are longer, southern hemisphere winter season days are shorter. Understood children? This is position 2. It's very simple, nothing to worry about that figure. Clear? So first take the position 2. First take the position 2. Here, northern hemisphere sun directly hitting to this here. So here summer season and days are longer. Southern hemisphere is far away from here, so days are shorter. That is, they are having winter. Now just opposite, position number 4. Take the position 4. Now the southern pole. Southern pole is tilted towards the sunlight. So here is sunlight is hitting. Southern hemisphere is getting sunlight. So now southern hemisphere is having summer and northern hemisphere is having winter. Understood? Southern hemisphere have now summer and northern hemisphere has now winter because the sun is directly hitting. Understood? Now take the position 1 and position 3. Here the thing is that the directly hitting, the sunlight is directly hitting to this area, that is sun directly hitting to the equator. Sun's rays are directly hitting on the equator. So neither the poles, that is two poles are there, that two poles not receive too much cold or too much hot, because all the sun rays are directly hitting to the equator. Understood children? So that is to the position 1 and 3. So here in the northern hemisphere, now here spring season, and in southern hemisphere they have now autumn season. Clear? In southern hemisphere now they are having spring season, and in the northern hemisphere now they are having spring season, and southern hemisphere now they are having autumn. And the same opposite for the position 3. Northern hemisphere now what they are having? Yes, autumn season. Here now they are having autumn season, and southern hemisphere now having spring season. Clear children? So this is position 1 and 3. Understood children? This is the figure. Clear? So let once again, position 2, the northern hemisphere sun rays are directly hitting, so summer season and days are longer. So southern hemisphere is away from the sunlight, so they are having winter season and days are shorter. Just opposite for position 4, northern hemisphere is away from the winter, so they are having northern hemisphere is away from the sunlight, so they are having winter season, and southern hemisphere is nearby, so they are getting more sunlight, so they are having summer season. And position 1 and 3 is that the sun's rays are directly hitting to the equator, so neither the poles are not getting the sunlight too much. So spring season in northern hemisphere and autumn season in southern hemisphere. Position 3 just opposite, northern hemisphere autumn, spring season in southern hemisphere. Clear children? So this is given in that figure number 33 in the page number 22. Understood children? This is about revolution and the seasons. And this one, the summer season, northern hemisphere having winter, and southern hemisphere here autumn, spring season here. Understood? What is orbit? What is orbit? Then next one, the revolution, 4 seasons also underlined, done on the page 22. Position number 2, paragraph, third line, underline. Third line, underline, then also underline fifth line, third line, summer, third line, northern hemisphere is there, fourth line, summer, underline, then fifth line, third, 3, 4, 5 lines underline, then 8th and 9th line also underline. These are the important words. I am not telling you study, underline all the paragraph. Just underline the key important points, important words. That is 4th, 5th and 8th and 9th line also underline. Then take the position number 4 also the same. Underline the 4th line, summer. 4th line, summer. Then 6th and 7th line also underline. 6th and 7th line underline. Then position 1 and 3, last second 2 lines. The last 2 lines underline. That is important. The northern hemisphere has spring season in position 1 and autumn in position 3. Then the southern hemisphere is autumn in position 1 and spring in position 3. That 2 sentence underline. Then do the tick the correct and this exercise. A and B exercise you have to complete. A and B exercise you have to complete. Okay children, thank you.